The Invisible World of Louis Pasteur. In a small town in France, a boy named Louis Pasteur was born. He loved to look at the world around him, from the biggest trees to the smallest bugs. When Louis grew up, he went to a big city called Paris to study science. He wanted to understand how everything worked. Louis discovered that there were tiny, invisible things all around us. He called them germs. He learned that some germs could make people sick. Louis told doctors to wash their hands very well before they helped their patients. This was a new idea, and it helped many people stay healthy. Louis also found a way to make drinks like milk safe. He heated the milk to kill the bad germs. This is called pasteurization. Then, Louis had another amazing idea. He found that if you put a tiny, weak germ into a person's body, their body would learn how to fight it. This is called immunization. One day, a boy came to Louis for help. A dog with a sickness called rabies had bitten him. The boy was very sick. Louis used his new idea of immunization to help the boy. He gave the boy a special shot to help his body fight the rabies germs. And it worked. The boy got better. Louis' discovery had saved his life. Louis Pasteur's ideas changed the world. Because of him, we know how to stay healthy and fight sickness. He showed us that even the smallest things can make a big difference.